Here are 20 salmon recipes for you to enjoy. Baked lemon garlic salmon. Salmon fillets baked with a flavorful mixture of lemon, garlic, and herbs. Grilled teriyaki salmon. Salmon fillets marinated in a sweet and savory teriyaki sauce, then honey mustard glazed salmon. Baked or grilled salmon fillets glazed with a mixture of honey, Dijon mustard, and herbs. Salmon piccata. Pan-seared salmon fillets in a lemony caper sauce with white wine. Maple soy glazed salmon. Salmon fillets glazed with a delicious mixture of maple syrup, soy sauce, and ginger. Crispy skin pan-seared salmon. Salmon fillets pan-seared to achieve a crispy skin, seasoned with salt and pepper. Baked pesto salmon. Salmon topped with a layer of basil pesto and baked until flaky. Lemon dill salmon burgers. Salmon patties infused with fresh dill and lemon zest, served on a bun with your favorite toppings. Cajun blackened salmon. Salmon fillets coated with a spicy Cajun seasoning and blackened in a hot skillet. Citrus herb grilled salmon. Salmon fillets marinated in a citrus and herb mixture, then grilled to perfection. Coconut curry salmon. Salmon simmered in a flavorful coconut curry sauce with vegetables. Smoked salmon and avocado wrap. Smoked salmon, avocado, cream cheese, and fresh herbs wrapped in a tortilla. Sesame crusted salmon. Salmon fillets coated in sesame seeds and pan-seared for a crunchy crust. Miso glazed salmon. Salmon fillets glazed with a sweet and savory miso sauce, then broiled. Baked Dijon mustard salmon. Salmon fillets coated with a Dijon mustard and herb mixture, then baked. Lemon butter, garlic herb grilled salmon. Salmon fillets grilled with a luscious blend of lemon, butter, garlic, and herbs. Salmon Caesar salad. Grilled or baked salmon served over a classic Caesar salad with croutons and Parmesan cheese. Almond crusted salmon. Salmon fillets coated in crushed almonds and baked until golden and crispy. Hoisin glazed salmon skewers. Salmon chunks threaded onto skewers, grilled, and glazed with hoisin sauce. Sweet chili lime salmon tacos. Grilled salmon tacos with a sweet chili lime sauce, topped with cabbage slaw. These recipes offer a variety of cooking methods and flavor profiles to suit your preferences. Enjoy your salmon culinary adventure.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms. Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.